Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my very, very special vlog on this very special day about Sally Ann Roberts. Okay, I mean I've been watching all morning long. Okay, since 6 o'clock, or should I say since 5:53 or something like that. You know. So anyway, I'm sure gonna miss Miss Sally Ann Roberts on our This Morning News. You know. But you know what? At least I post something on my Facebook, you know. But unfortunately, my internet is acting up. I don't know if I'll be able to upload this while the show is going on, you know. But at least they're gonna have a repeat of the Iowa This Morning News at 9 o'clock on Channel 15, you know. So I don't know who watching this. Y'all could be watching it out of town somewhere. So some of you probably don't know who Sally Ann Roberts is. I'm not talking to the people in New Orleans and here in Louisiana. I'm talking to the people in other states. You know, at this moment. Okay. So, in case some of y'all that don't know, if you watch Good Morning America on ABC, Robin Roberts, that's Sally Ann Roberts' big sister, okay? I meant to say that's Robin Roberts' big sister. Robin Roberts is Sally Ann Roberts' little sister, okay? So anyway, about a couple of years ago, it was 2012 when Sally Ann went somewhere. I don't remember when. Was it New York City or somewhere? Done a bone marrow transplant, you know, to save her sister's life. You know, I am very thankful that Sally Ann Roberts would do something like that, and she's a soldier, a trooper, well, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, and a very Christian lady, you know. I'm very sad. Oh, it's showing. Let me see. There she is, folks. There's Sally Ann Roberts right there. Sorry for the TV screen. Okay. All right. So anyway, she had a lot of visitors today. Mike Hoss, I'm so glad that I seen Mike Hoss, you know. Bill Capel, I was so glad to see Bill Capel as well. Speaking of Bill Capel, I met him in person about 3 or 4 years ago when I was going on the bus. You know, I was going to Walmart. I was so happy to spot him on Tulane and Robinson. Okay, it's supposed to be about Sally Ann Roberts, you know. So anyway, she had a lot of guests. I wish I would have started filming when they showed up all the guests. You know, it was just like Sally Ann Roberts appeared on my show. Okay, sorry for the TV screen or what it looked like. That a television that's right there. That was in my mom's room. You know, so she gonna be truly missed. You know, I mean, I'm sure some of you local people that's been watching Iowa This Morning News for many years, I know y'all gonna miss her. You know, I was so glad to see one of the newscasts in 1992 when they was doing a news coverage on Hurricane Andrew. You know. Alright, so I'm sorry. Alright, so anyway, I want to tell y'all something though. if Andre Trevine would have still been alive, she should have went visit the news today. If Frank Davis was still alive, if Don Westbrook would have still been alive, or Dave Barnes would have still been here with us, believe you me, they would have went visit Sally Ann today. You know, like Mike Hoss and Michelle Miller. Michelle Miller is now on CBS News. Okay, so she been on Channel 4 for a while, anchored with Lynn Cannon. You know, hold a copy anchored with Lynn Cannon. You know, so I'm a little surprised Lynn Cannon didn't call in or visit. You know. And I don't know how long Lynn Cannon been on Channel 4, you know. I don't even know when he left, you know. So, well, think about it, folks. The Hour This Morning News will never be the same without Sally Ann Roberts, you know. Well, think about it, folks. It's bittersweet. It's very, very bittersweet, you know. Wonderful woman, wonderful anchor, you know. And you know, speaking of that, I didn't know she replaced Andre Trevine on Channel 4. Well, when I started watching WWL Channel 4, The Hour This Morning News. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking right now. A beautiful choir. Should I show y'all? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. There they go. All right. All right. All right. So anyway, she gonna truly be missed on Channel 4. You know, so if she about to sing Happy Birthday, I'm allowed to TV up so y'all can listen, okay? So if she sing Happy Birthday to the viewers, I'm allowed to TV up so y'all can hear her sing Happy Birthday. I don't know if y'all ever heard her sing Happy Birthday before, you know. I've been watching Channel 4 Hour This Morning News since '92 because I never had a chance to watch Channel 4 with Andre Trevine and Eric Paulson. So I'm just sitting here waiting for to sing Happy Birthday. Oh look! Oh! I forgot to show that part. Look. All right. All right. So, when I think about it, folks, I'm very, very happy and sad that Sally Ann is leaving. You know, I'm just here waiting for to sing Happy Birthday. I don't know if she's gonna do it on her last day. You know, which I hope so. You know. So I wonder how long that's gonna take. You know, showing y'all videos and stuff. Sally Ann Roberts. You know that what I showed y'all. That's probably gonna be uploaded on the WWL TV channel. You know, on YouTube. We'll have to see. You know. So, all right. Sitting on a few things. All right. I mean, I'm very, very, very happy for a new chapter, and also sad that she's leaving. You know, my internet acting up today. You know, so anyway, we sure gonna miss her. You know. Definitely gonna miss her. you know. But I don't think she ever watched my videos before, you know. I don't think Eric Paulson ever watched my videos, you know. Alright, a school shooting in Florida. I forgot the report on that one though. But the thing is, what I forgot to report that, but we gonna talk about that on another video. Okay. Oh. So, where I think about it, folks. Alright, so should I stop this tape or not? We'll have to see. Okay. Well, maybe I should have shaved all this or whatever, you know. Sometimes I don't know how to. Never mind that. Okay. So let's see if she gonna sing Happy Birthday. If she do, I'm gonna get up from this seat and go loud the TV up. Oh, I'm sorry y'all have to see that. You know, whatever y'all saw in the video, I'm sorry you have to see that. Okay. So let's see how everything's gonna go. So I'm waiting for the Happy Birthday. You know, I sure can't wait for to sing Happy Birthday. I'm definitely gonna miss that though. You know. So let's see what's gonna happen today. You know. So I think she gonna sing Happy Birthday in a minute. Probably after this weather report, you know, while I'm talking to y'all probably staring at the video saying, "Oh, this is getting boring." Well, I'm just finding stuff to talk about. That's all. So don't complain, you know. Don't complain. All right. I'm just doing the video. I'm just trying to, you know. I'm just trying to make it as entertaining as I could, you know. So at least I'm not sitting here wasting y'all time and keeping my mouth closed and stuff like that, you know. So I'm just here waiting, you know, and talking to you viewers. As a matter of fact, I don't know where y'all at. I don't know where y'all watching that. I don't know if y'all watching me in Iowa, California, Seattle, Boston, Massachusetts, Chicago, Illinois, or Florida or something like that. So I don't know where y'all at though. Y'all probably changing the channel right now, you know. But all I'm doing is waiting for her to sing Happy Birthday. That's all I'm doing, you know. So I wonder if that's gonna happen today. Trying to wait patiently as I could though. But anyway, as I was saying though, I think I was in the second grade, I do believe, when I was watching Sally Ann Roberts for the first time. But I seen Sally Ann Roberts before she started doing news with Eric Paulson. And I saw Eric Paulson before he done news with Sally Ann Roberts. But on one part, he filled in for Bill Elder, and then one day Sally Ann filled in for Bill Elder. You know. So when I'm thinking about talking about this and talking about that, you know, I mean, I'm just telling you, as far as I can remember, you know, I was living in a St. Bernard housing development when I first watched Sally Ann Roberts. Well, I don't think she gonna sing happy birthday. All right. All right. Dang. All right. Seems like she ain't gonna sing happy birthday. So that's it for now.